Welcome to Patrick Parson Workshop. Yes, I have gotten fatter. It's one new update. The other exciting news is we're going to build a wall and a door right here.
You're watching Patrick Parson Workshop.
Call me lazy. I don't want to move this switch plate over. I'd rather leave it right there and have the switch plate for the lights inside the room actually inside the room. So I'm going to leave this switch plate right here. Have the wall start down here, come over to about here, and then I'll put a wall right here. Why do these got to be 4 feet long? I'm not sure. Maybe somebody can answer that in the comments. All right, gang, gonna go ahead and take some measurements here before I start cutting these 2x4s to length for my wall that's gonna go right here. Gonna use this tape measure.
The question is, does it give us the fizz?
I don't know, it's just a regular tape measure, just a Stanley 16 foot. Got the green around there. I guess I like that. Wrangler Star on camera duties today. You're a big help, I appreciate it. And I know the rough opening I need for the door, so I'm all set there. I'm going to pre-drill these. I'm still going to be going through connecting this through our oak hardwood floor here, and I don't want to split that. So there's a line on the back of the laser level right here. I'm just lining that line up with the plane of the edge of this 2x4 that's already installed. There's the laser level going up the wall there. And you can see I made the mark up there on the ceiling. So everything's good to go. Time to go ahead and put that piece in. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and install this, and I've checked the height. Everything's good there. I am going to pre-drill this because I just don't want any splits.
Oh boy. Oh, that was a good one. That was a
That's
good one.
awesome. Get
Hey,
up here, Z.
try that.
Just don't let me hit you.